Antonym says Saturday no boxing bout to be equals ewa Ghana Hanamo. As it was organized by Sharaf Mahama, Aye Mahama, no doba no. There was that match so it was between Freezy MacBones, Aoye Asantini, Ene Gani Akreni Abrantie Worldwide Tete. Now you can finalize the issue of Obake versus Akwaba no. You can finalize that deal no. Now it was trouble colors any TikTokers etrem say I didn't see that day no. This is pure hatred on Asantes. Na omo ewie mu ene ma enkrani no. Memo nkyere mu no akere wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was say any mu. Obe like video no other about subscribe button, na click notification connect latest updates na be kere wadwen de amame. Ewo comment section so baso. No share photo enya bia hwe. You know, over internet ne so a so interesting. You know, there's a beef enyan to kwa nya TV but Akwaba versus Obake. Obi abese o kire se o ye guy esre ne yonko ala se enkranfo ni amon kranfo no eni enu asanefo no obi abese o kire se o what swag o ye guy esre ne yonko o ye guy man and because of that you know as a media so the watching at time ama yehu the pumasibre e ma be kai kra na Kudika International Airport there was an issue said yenyi Akwaba ni fro den kenfa Obake na emesha na emeno entimi enyina ebeye mugu. Now, you know, Saturday twem ana Mahama ba no. Sharaf Mahama organize a boxing event. That is Ewa Accra Montino so. Now that event no, na nice. Ema na match no nipa mienu. Ana ebeko. Asantini abrantie Freezy MacBones. Ana fe Gani ana se enkrani abrantie Worldwide Tete. Ama nse na kwa kojina ring hu se oh na Worldwide Tete enkrani no. Oh yo tukua oh oni ko mi kimo oh vibe Ghana for no me Freezy me put the fifnafu me yama no
no weapon no enemy no I believe you challenge so pray worldwide talk and do and that talk and do and that you go talk way will do worldwide.
What I said ama Freezy MacBones be try the bobre e o say kwagina ring ni mo say kwagina na say grand entry no Freezy MacBones asandefo say kutu say bam ya hihya no do so na adoa yi edi na chie ana asante flag ye him ye kobo Worldwide Tete oh ebebusin ya de endokwa no ahihya so na ndokwa na emotion pa hyase na emotion pa. But equally, you know, Maza said the Freezy MacBones Asantini no. A simple Worldwide Tete no. Nyame kwa nini. Ya fe kwa ni. Na abeye personal. You know, na abeye more or less say as a abeye personal issue because how on that MacBone into to the how on MacBones. How on Freezy MacBones? Eso to the no. Now then I free say I you know game abeye personal. Na enye easy. Na no to kwani course to the point say where do I tete a top form? Na a top form na go be him say yes say Freezy MacBones ana irene. Yen ko declare na ye dan where do I tete. Ade omu kire mu say where do I tete a top form no or allege say Freezy MacBones e ka no. Ba video ni sinie. Video no mu kire mu say Freezy MacBones e ka no oni video ni nie. Na no na da na beti ha. Na da ne ha. Ana oni age no top form. Yes waka no. E ma ye gina de we so. E de ahenche no e ma where do I tete. Where do I tete na ya bu na mantase yes. Akwa. Now you know something. Anybody worrying title no. Just if you bring the movie crowd, I want the Nizia no anywhere. Oh, near my 10. When the funny have guy video go go on the stage so. And you know something? The funny thing, then go behind him say each match there happen now. Boxing, we nyame Ghana for. And can there be a rematch? Oda say, so we claim say when I win yeah. Now MacBones and Crawford call for rematch. But in the course of the process no, where we tete, or no say e bia code video ma o chef say David Ebasa. Rematch, there be me ready for the rematch. Uncle Agwani Gokuno, David. Uncle Ma Agwano Egokuni to stage, Debbie on Pesa 80 on my for any rematch. That's it. A 100 grand I said, Massa Yapono. What's wrong? I just said there was even another video. I could make a and say, baby, I also a quane cow, and him find a cow went to me actually. Not just said they happen will stay on no. Yeah, we are Freezy MacBones finam. Yeah, we are the finam. We are santinity. Yeah, buna for so we are no. Because ma kontokwa. We na nie. We na ntimi kura nya na so ona go hu ne ma yi. Lose nie, lose energy ni. Romanim, we na ni, lose nie. How do you explain this to me? Say, Penyah we na rene yes say. Na effort tight na dem a enkrani no. Eno ana trouble colors any other TikTokers them master this is pure robbery.
Enti video ya mu hwe ye. Mon kira me baby a Freezy eka akoi. Obi ene obi ko. Chese first round Freezy bono, second obono, third obono, fourth obono. Efiti woko nyina da ne bantamweight. Akwa ye pe no wafam no, wo ye pe no wachichire no. Otimenya clean shot awe de nim se wo bone kuno na ujaf, wa baba mantam no. Na wo chichire nipa no, na so no so wabeti ababa besi ne na so obie na num a. Na se na num aka wabeti a, we ayeka. Na wo hwe na num krade na ehye ne se so kra na bede na ode saade na aka no. Tama Mike Tyson ekwa koi. The esa Mike Tyson enum wo yi free ho no kan say hu. But in this case no enye sanete. Enti eba no say and because of no na no akosi na betinti. Because wa chechire no wa humi wo unity. Enti way and eka no. Mese me kan say Freezy ambo akwa noki akwa we say downwa enkan for no omu bewia no. Because omuni say Freezy enya bu akwa we because they say worldwide ono pe enkrania ase omujinidi. Me say after second run worldwide he was off. Just say ontimi kura nyina na so. Ne aka nyina ayatentam. Chale minim se omobe wia santini no pe minim se 100% ombe wia no, and that is exactly what they have done. Chale match where there is not all. Just a more bokrono no ama enho ada ho say clean. Me catch them me say ye be for boxing no e dey free akra dey akokuma say mopa mon stick a bet. And we know say there's going to be a rematch. Ye be me say mo dey mopa won hwa dey. Obi en ho agisa wo mpe Freezy asem na beka say ai ena waka no. That's waka no kra na. I am telling you say bona Freezy bone no na nko say omo draw no na nkeni kwa say omo di win e ma no. Chale we eye total chrono.
Ah, we dey me man this dey to FBI for money. FBI for na me nyam Ghana police. Mo kwachi organizers ni nyina. Omo organize sa bout here. Mo nchiri obi antu. Ade. Munim say ma sha ade wo dem a. Ade na mo ne opponent ne nkasa. Baby akwa ne kai. Odi omo ne editing bia wo kanu mbem. Omo mba kukem. Ewa hani nka metre say ha ro kai. Yo ha ma taxi car obi aso. Then na you at least black. You cat. Fine. We mo dia ba so akam. Mo dia mo kwaya de tin na mo biem. Emi ehu say ha no kai. Obi a mo de ne ko hospital. Doctor busan ba dia ka sin no kura wa. Oba hwe ha ansa na oba hwe ha. Oba be hwe ha ansa na oba hwe ha. Ne sane nam so say ade na mo ye bu asefo sa. Ku ni pa ni ma sa ade. Ade Ghana na be say some so ne nam so ya na ku ni pa ni ma sa ade. We ehni no ba me see me pro challenge man. Mo nya ade tin na mo bi na mo fa ba bia wo kai mo fa me.
So how come did this guy won this match? You know, how come? I don't understand that. If you do not watch this match between Jonathan Tete and then Freezy, if you do not watch their match, search the match and watch the match and confirm how come, Freezy do not win the match, but rather Jonathan Tete win the match. That's worldwide. Because look at the guy. And he won the match with like this. They beat this guy, falling down, or the guy, they declare the guy winner. Or maybe there are some punches that they do not count from Freezy. Or there are some ways he can knock you, they will not count it. Because what me I witness, I watched from round 1 to round 8. In fact, it's a stealing game. They truly stole the guy.
Munhwe Freezy okunto ni wi on say mama munye chia no mama ne body nye chia because mama the president of Ghana Croatia as you say Freezy na we ne ntokwa na emum mo yese mo be promote worldwide hwehwe de o musi mo chia no omongu mama tinye boss why are they wako just wakonko din na on say Freezy ama me kasa ena me nyina no chama me hu say omo de promote worldwide on say worldwide na fe no obent organizers ni yese o yem from promote worldwide na emum one settings no share no keshe no nyu ndi so just no me worldwide that to the extent say e wasn't kokoni suru ma worldwide we ni ntokwa no and when I say oba vim nyu more and this what bubo nyu asa do enti Freezy am here with you also nyina o de tie the settings so mo promote worldwide am worldwide so Ghana for ni we asa for na nyu obi an say obi ku boxing for worldwide emo worldwide radio this time no wa home twetwe say na ezo sapai mama to okwa no osre share Freezy ube to the Freezy akotokwa eh wadi akubo
Nimi yenkeni ba
If you are Delta Village, na you feel back to na me can bank Sankasa and no cry the Mecca. And then that match now for Freezy MacBones. No, where do I live? Massa, me can where you are Freezy. Put all where the piano Sanka. Ya one fiam or what to fool. Na sanso kwa wabo match na wie. Na wode na kodina left side. Na Freezy ja right side. Na sanso ko so left ni mu say left side na say we wini. Hey, me yankani ba ni da dem mo ma robo obi masa wo twu ni ase account. Ma robo obi mani da me ma hye me. Oh no pie yenkromo no ma robo no. Isa no ya santiniti ana. Hwebe. Oh, refis ne organizers na the man nyade. Ni da mu wie mu ankasa. Hwe so mu ankasa na pay mu sorry some ma comment. Obia nim so mu wie ma nipa na ankasa na oso we win ni still wa kwan wie no pronto mginani because onim da we win ni. Nipa no ntum ginani. Sisa Freezy abubo ne fe da mama match nipa we wie no pronto sisa de me isa mo de no ko hospital. Mu fa nkokolebo no akwa ba wo ba ri ni di bi. Mumfa worldwide nkokolebu no wanye bali ni de bi. Someone who makes money the yabu ne hwea ma na lo bofom obi a wa bro na mo wa bofom. Nka baby point ko say refi bi anka oba ni say okay na game close. Ma no ma yobo na ma robo nipa ne sa. Hey Ghana na say ka me na me share worldwide ahụ. Tanka ya me odifo James. Na me share worldwide ahụ. Ghana robo hu.
Charlie, nyama ya koso Ghana ha MBY. Yesterday, worldwide, any Freezy MacBones to honor me. We should fight in now. In fact, say first 2 rounds there, but like I said, worldwide, a born modern. Worldwide, a year Jumano. But from 3 rounds now, caught away no massa. Freezy Bubba rough. Or born of rough, or you know, Hujma. But last, Moody, winner, Akoma, worldwide. Or because of worldwide, I should dive here a year low, say Freezy MacBones, I can't have say. Omo Hagi, ne Freezy MacBones, I don't know, worldwide has it. No worldwide should I say. That's what can. But there's no VAR into Manko check it, and we say, a can, and I say, then, and no Freezy MacBones. Omoten pointing also. Intina mo say we winning all because of them cheat. The thing is cheat cause worldwide mafia kwa no. Ototo form nyina. Na boxing so dey born out of my so. Freezy is edman nyina. Last mo dey win na come worldwide all because of them. Worldwide if mass area ho baby. And a Freezy MacBones, so I will Accra home. Into favor na corner side, and I said then I'm a patch. Where like how? And yet fine. So Freezy, big up to you. You win the fight. We the supporters. We know say you win the fight. And I ever share. You won't say we win BBR. Why you demanding in a but last I'm far when I'm out. Freezy, don't worry. Rematch. Say about rematch. And fans spare no. From first round to second round, all the rounds, if you do the job, easy. And money be or cry, money to so Jack. Don't make it yourself. Just Charlie, me feel out. Don't feel bad. As she say you dey cry. Don't cry, boy. It's normal. Don't cry because Freezy, the people with them get strong pass that worldwide self, you beat them. No be worldwide. So bro, you know what you can do. So Charlie, just keep it like this, okay?
Utimusi abu bema ma bema emle, but still na yeso na wene. Akra fo ade na mo ya kromfo sa. Ade na mo ye akromfo sa. Bibia kumasi ni Akra baby ano. You guys cheated. And I'm a team. Bibia Akra phone kumasi for baby ano. Movie ade. You guys should play fair in such a game like this. boxing yetimi bo obi ani Charlie game no freezing na winning amudi akoma my friend say worldwide wa she winner I say winner like worldwide we why better say the one my friend saying DDT game we what me dia my friend say worldwide so na winning akra for entro no mo channel kumase for ha Freezy one wa winning game no mo so mo ntia se kra o ma declare say worldwide na winning a Freezy una winning kumase for ye ginama Freezy on a winning bema obi a wa winning pa we said ye what like what in day hey Charlie, you guys should play fair in such a game like this. What I say? One idea.
Charlie, mama, you did this say Freezy MacBones on your fighter on your den na munja side you yeah. And Ryan is a match and Ryan I try to be enemy. Oh come on. Just that the Amuyan is say what this is what they are doing. Freezy MacBones on international market. People know Freezy. And Tete. I'm on for Nimno. People don't know. So they are just trying to put money there on the international map. That be all. And it's here on the winning man. And you be Mama can't dream Zena or Buffy and after the first 2 rounds, then be no game no. Obia musu win, Muncha blah blah, Munche, Obia will win. Somebody will win fight. How can someone win 6 out of 8 rounds, then lose match? How? Musi Okano, Okano. Chirajo mama, comment section. Hi, Penyah Media.